Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and comment so we can keep growing it. This one's recorded around 4:20 on December 12th. Second update for today for Litecoin. We finally got the pause. We can solidify our levels now. We can solidify our retracement levels. Now watching for a pullback. The normal pullback would be around to this 271. We got the rising rotation zone coming in below that. It's 260. So 260 to 271 would be really nice, and then to see a rotation back up. A deeper rotation could go down to 246 in a very deep rotation, which we're not expecting right now. But just to put it out there is 221. So what will we look for after rotation comes back up? Well, the first level of resistance will be the end of this clear path that's forming 310. Then we'll watch for return to the highs, and then 346 and 371 are the next key levels up that we will be targeting for taking profits and for raising stops. In the daily, this is what you got to keep in mind. Look how extended it is. The rotation zone on the top of the daily rotation zone is all the way back at about 173, 175. So at some point, we're going to get either a longer pause or a bigger pullback. We're going to have to judge it on this 4-hour rotation to see how big it does pull back. We cannot predict that. These have gone explosive, but we could just simply pause like we did back on the 10th. So we went up, then paused, then resumed. Or we could get a bigger correction, a multi-day correction. So we're just going to have to play this one by ear and keep the levels updated and watch for that key rotation back up. Finally, over to Monero. This was some great textbook trading over the last few hours. So you see we finally got above the clear path move, spiked up here, came back. This is prior resistance becoming support, coming back, getting the rotation zone coming up on the 4-hour with 8 pushing the price. How'd that look on the 1 hour? Let's check that out. Into the rotation zone on the 1 hour. So you use the 4-hour and the 1 hour in conjunction. We're going over these concepts. They don't just apply to the crypto we're covering. You should put these things, take notes, and try to put them in your trading arsenal for anything you're trading. Then we did spike up. Now this was from a reverse scan box, these next levels up. This was from the low on the 6th to the high prior on the 6th. So the high was before the low and we were projected backwards, but that gave us this 306.50 level and the 317. We did spike up to 320. Right now, like to see a key pullback and let the rotation zone really catch up on the 4-hour. We can, though, assuming that this does not blast to new highs right now and this bar actually corrects, the next two levels up will be 333 and 346. Let's check in on the daily chart for this one. All right, let me get some scaling done here. So we came back to rotation zone on the daily chart. Now we've turned around and gone higher. So this is just a normal move back up. Nothing way overextended. These are the kind of things we want to see when we're talking about normal rotation moves. So we go move up, rotate back down, move up, rotate back down, move up, rotate back down. This is more sane price action than some of the stuff we've seen in some of the altcoins, especially in Litecoin, some of those moves we've seen in Ripple, and other ones we've covered over the last couple days. So I just want you to take note, this is more sane price action. Yes, it is moving very strongly, but at least it is taking a pause to rotate back down. That's what we have for you. If this, oh, by the way, if this does pull back bigger, there's the prior breakout zone is about 261, and we have the gain level 259. So if we do pull back, that's a key area to watch on the daily chart for a rotation. So we have for you, again, in Monero and in Litecoin. Hope everybody's having a great time trading the cryptos, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.